What's happening, YouTube? Back again. Coming to get that trailer, that other reefer unit. Here's your man. You know, he's always in the building with me. And yeah, there it is right here. A little dirty, but I gotta go ahead and get it cleaned up. Come on, Pop. Sorry about yelling. Gotta go ahead and get it cleaned up. So they gonna pay for it, so I'm not. Anyway, checked it out. It's got good tires. Everything. Structure's okay. Sorry about that. Close up. Inside, decent. I mean, I'm not keeping it, so I don't mind. Anyway, so yeah. So I'm still in North Carolina. Left Charlotte this morning. Had to handle some business. Me and the wife, take care of some things. Good to have it's good to have a teammate on your side. I'm out here, she's there. Gotta have the squad together. So me and your man Pop Rocks, we're gonna get hooked up. Go down the street to the truck stop. Come on, Pop. And get right back with you. All right, everybody. So it's hooked up. I got to crank my landing gear. I'm doing a quick pre-trip, but I want to say something about this reefer unit. So I'm doing a pre-trip on the reefer unit. So the Thermo Kings carriers and things like that, they have a pre-trip setting in the unit. So you hit your menu button, go to, you'll see alarms, pre-trip, and a bunch of other things. Go to pre-trip and let it go ahead and start up right now. This one is in Cool 2 test. So it's doing its thing. I turned the lights on. I'm about to do a little walk around, check things out. Make sure all the lights is good on it. And that's all you got to do, man, to make sure these things are running correctly. You don't want to wait, get out there on the road, and then you have an issue. Then you got to stop. That's more time. I'd rather check it out now myself, make sure it's right, versus waiting until I get on the road. Something happens. I got to call these people and be like, hey, something happened with the trailer. Now they got to direct me to a Thermo King, which this is. It's a 2019 Precedence C600. So, but anyway, I'm finished this pre-trip. Like I said, we're going to finish this video. Get back with you once we grab a load. Well, know where the load is picking up and going. All right, be right back with you. Hey, what's up, YouTube family? Uh, we have arrived in Arden, North Carolina. I thought the load was in Asheville, but it was actually in Arden, North Carolina. So we're here at I think it's called Arcadia Beverage Company. Gonna take this to Wally World, only Illinois. Uh, one pick, one stop. Heavy load, but one pick, one stop. It's all good. Uh, Actually, the load was supposed to pick up Friday, but people here they pretty cool, so they still had the product that they had for today. I think it was gonna initially go on another truck. They called the broker, and I guess they arranged some things where I could go ahead and get the product since I was here, and go ahead and get loaded early, which is a great thing. Sorry about that. So anyway, get loaded early. Head out today, 524 miles, I think it is, from here to Only. And most of you drivers, y'all know about Only. There's a Love's truck stop down the street. There is another truck stop, which is across the street from the Love's, which I think it's a matter of time before either the pilot buys that truck stop, because that truck stop, it no longer sells diesel. The last time I was there, they only have parking. They got a little gambling joint in the inside. They sell, I think it's Hunt's Brothers Pizza, whatever. I don't even think they really do gas at that truck stop anymore. But when the big boys come in, they got competitive prices, and so that's the name. That's the game, man. It's cold out here when it comes to them big dogs rolling in. But anyway, that's how I go. So yeah, so we just waiting to get loaded up. So wait a minute, I had a red light. Now I got a green light on the trailer. I haven't felt the trailer move, so that's interesting inside of itself. Now I got a red light again. I don't know what they got going on. Might have been uh huh. Let me go check. What's happening, YouTube? Back with you one more time. Late night creep, me and Poppy. What up, Pop? We are in Lebanon, Tennessee. Time now is 2 o'clock East Coast time, but it's 1 o'clock Central. But just got to the truck stop, picked up in Arden, North Carolina. A load of juice, going to Onlyville, Tennessee. I mean, damn, Illinois, to Wally World, DC. Here we are parked right here. A little dirty, but that's how it is. So we just out here. I'm letting Pops uh, run around. I'm out taking a quick stroll early in the morning. So pickup, they loaded me a day early, which was a good thing. I'm glad of that. Um, took about 3.5 hours to get me loaded, which I'm fine with that. So even though I couldn't get my appointment changed at Walmart, that's fine. It's still for Saturday. I already got my next load, picking up in Rochelle, Illinois, going down right back down to Macon, Georgia. It's a different location in Macon, and that'll deliver the day after Christmas. So it's all good. I'm not really the holiday type, so owner operator lifestyle, I've never been into that stuff. So anyway, besides that, like I said, we at the truck stop right now, just chilling. Your man, he is exploring the parking lot right now, and here he comes. This is his routine. Anyway, so truck stop's not really all that full, but anyway, gonna get some rest, get back kicking in the morning, and finish this load out and park at the Loves over in Only, right down the street from Walmart. Well, we're gonna go shopping first at the Walmart store, then Saturday morning, well, Saturday evening, we're gonna go deliver. Once we deliver, we'll drive up to Rochelle and wait for that Sunday pickup. We're gonna ride after that. So, anyway, next time I see you, YouTube, it'll be daylight. So, Poppy, you got anything you want to tell them? No? Well, Poppy, anything you want to say? I guess he says see you in the morning.